Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel again. So today we are going to have a look at what is the difference between the beer call spread and the beer put spreads. Okay. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, then I would request you to watch the previous videos which I have uploaded for beer call spread and beer put spreads. And also we have done a separate video for its adjustments as a two separate video for both the strategies. Okay. So learn about that adjustments. And today we are going to have a look at difference between these two and what is the pros and cons. Okay. So there is a disclaimer friends, so this is only for an educational purpose and not any recommendations. Okay, so bear call versus bear put. So both bear call and bear put spread will provide the same purpose as the bearish strategy, and the payoff graph will look same. Okay, so but the main difference between these two strategies are, so bear call spread is a credit spread which will credit money in trader's account once we initiate this trade, and bear put spread is a debit spread which trader needs to pay to buy the options. Okay, so bear call spread is buying one OTM call and selling one in the money call. Okay, and bear put spread is buying one in the money put option and selling one out the money put option. So now you can see that, so since we are selling the in the money call and buying the out the money call, so here we are getting some credit, so which is a credit spread. And if you have look at the bear put spread, here we are buying one in the money options and selling one out the money option. So this is a debit spread, which means that we are going to buy the option with the higher price, higher premium, and we are going to sell the options with the lower premium. So if you calculate these two, then we need to pay some amount from our account. So this is a debit spread. Okay, so this is a credit and debit spread. So both buy and sell needs to be done in the same expiry. So we should do the trade for the same expiry on the same stock if you're choosing in either bear call spread or bear put spreads. Okay, so which one is better to trade in bearish view? So we need to look at the certain parameters to decide which strategy to take if our view is bearish on the particular stock. Okay, so those are implied volatility, time to expiry, and the maximum loss comparison between the two strategy. So let's look into it one by one. So implied volatility, so trader will get a two implied volatility while they trade, that is either higher IV or lower IV compared with their historical IV. So if you're unaware about this IV, then I would request you to watch our channel where we have uploaded about this IV and how to find out which is an higher IV and which is an lower IV. Okay, so if IV is higher comparing with its historical IV, it's better to go with the credit spread, which is a bear call spread. And if IV is lower compared to its historical IV, then it's better to go with the debit spread, which is bear put spread. So the reason is because, like, if IV is lower, our debit spread will be lower. So once the IV moves to move higher, our position will have some chance to get into profit. And if the IV is higher, then so we should do the credit spread, so that we'll be collecting our premium. And if the IV tends to move down, then even if the stock is not moving anywhere, if simply the IV crashes, then we will get some profit in the credit spread. Okay, so this is the motto. This is the strategy to be chosen based on the IV and time to expiry. So if the time to expiry is more, then credit spread will give us a good profit, as we will be getting the more time value. So longer time, which is like more than 20 to 30 days for a monthly expiry, then it's good to go for an credit spread. So if time to expiry is lesser, then debit spread will be the better idea, as time value will be lesser in option premium. So if price stays constantly without moving anywhere, then the credit spread will give us the profit, whereas in debit spread, underlying stock needs to move in our direction. As the debit spread, we are not going to get any time value, but in the credit spread, we'll be getting the time values, right? So if you are having a more time to expiry, then go with the credit spread, and if it is lesser time frame, then go with the debit spreads. Okay, so max profit and loss. So before taking the trade, so calculate both the strategies, max profit and loss, and plan to take the trade which is having the lesser amount of a max profit. So this is because our loss will be limited if our views goes wrong. And of course we can make an adjustment, as we seen in our previous videos. If the trade goes wrong, how can we do the adjustments? We have seen like around 3 to 4 strategies for each both strategies. Okay, so based on that, you can even do some adjustments and reduce the loss, but it's better to go with the minimum loss strategy, which is showing the minimum losses. Okay, if you still have the confusion to choose between these two strategies, my suggestion would be to choose the bear call spread, as it is a credit spread. We will earn a time decay as a profit even if the stock is not moving anywhere. Okay, hope you guys have understood the bear call versus the bear put spreads strategy, and I would request you to watch all the previous videos which we have uploaded for this strategy if you are watching this for the first time. Okay, and thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. Also click on like, share our channel videos with your friends if you found it useful, and also do some comment as well, so that it will motivate me to do some further videos as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends.